Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam no licenses error. If that appeared to you, we're going to try to fix it today. If this video will be helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now what you want to do is open up your Steam, of course, and on Steam icon, click on it and go to settings. First thing you can try to do is go ahead to interface, and where it says client beta participation, you can choose a Steam Beta Update or Steam Beta Families Update, I believe. Steam Families Update, so choose Families if you have one. If not, then choose a Steam Beta Update and restart now. This should fix your problem once the Steam will be updated. Now, if that didn't fix your problem, you want to go ahead to Steam and manage files, browse local files, and go to Steam. And here you should see all of the DLL files necessary. But to really fix this problem is actually the best option would be to just uninstall Steam and install it again. Basically by deleting all the files from Steam and then installing it again. So try to do that. If the beta update didn't work for you, then you should just uninstall it and install it again. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.